Welcome everyone, should be a good game today. The crowd are out in numbers, ready to get behind their teams. They're going attacking with a 4-3-3 formation. The away side has gone for this lineup. Well, the players can't complain about the atmosphere. It is absolutely buzzing here. The next 90 minutes should be captivating. Moving down the flanks here. And here's a chance. Surely now. Ruddy collects the ball. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Messi. The shot's on. Ronaldo. And it's opened up here. And that's out for a goal kick. Let's see how close that one was to going in. Well, great conditions today. The sun is out and the fans really are in good spirits for this match. And back to the keeper. Porta. Oh, he did really well there. It's with the striker. He dribbles the ball forward. Messi off the post. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Oh, determined challenge there. Striker's ball. Oh, look at that showboating. Lovely bit of skill there. Surely the cards are coming out here. Actually, it looks like a telling off, and he'll have to be careful. Oh, well timed. And here's a chance. Oh, determined challenge there. Can he get a shot in? Oh, good block there. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Oh, that's a really dangerous... And it's opened up here. Messi. Aguero. Oh, that's just off target. Let's take another look at that. Launched upfield by the keeper. Using the width here. Half time then. Let's hope for some goals in the second half. So, 45 minutes left. What will happen in the remainder of the game? It's with the striker. Well read. It's with the defender now. Oh, he did really well there. Great chance here. Aguero shoots. Well taken goal. Great goal there. He'll be hoping to add more to his tally now. Let's see that one again. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. Moving down the flanks here. What a well-timed tackle. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. Time for some fresh legs maybe. The players are warming up. Great chance here. Aguero. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Let's see that one again. It's 2-0. That's good link-up play. Moving down the flanks here. Messi. Want to add to their lead here. Oh, what a pass. Passed well. Now Walker. Oh, determined challenge there. Lovely passing here. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Aguero. He must score. Aguero shoots, and that's off target. Let's see how close that one was to going in. Well, surely all he can do now is grab a consolation goal. There's not much time left, and it seems all over. Well cut out. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down. And he's just the keeper to beat. Oh, pick that one out, rocketed into the top corner. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. So, we're off again here. Great dribbling. What a well-timed tackle. This is Aguero. And there we have it, goals flying in today from the winning team. They'll be celebrating in style tonight. No doubt in my mind.